Boom. This video I'm talking about the YouTube growth strategy that actually works in 2026. Alright, ready? I'm gonna give y'all this, right? It says algorithm, truth, like, comment, subscribe to get it. Right. CTR, retention, consistency, packaging, titles, thumbnails, breakdown, content loops, keep people watching. A good example is you wanna like have it entertaining, clickbait, like the click-through rate. Like I want to find out like how you make it through, like once you make this video, how you make it, like how it gains a lot of views, engagement, people buying to what you're saying, entertainment. But my theory is like you just gotta make a bunch of videos till you really figure it out, and that's the way it really works. I ain't gonna lie. And it's free, bro. Like I just said in the last video, like this shit anybody could be doing. Instead of complaining, bitching, like on my next batch, I'm gonna do it while outside. I switch it up on them. I do it while inside my spot, and then I do it outside. I switch it up because you know you got to be versatile. It's like you flexible with it. It's good to be versatile. So my next batch, I'm gonna do it outside to be versatile with it. But this one, I decided to be like, you know what? I'm gonna do it inside. Cause it's crazy. It's nothing good outside, bro. Oh man. Alright, so boom. It's not even that. It's just like if I could do it inside one and then do it outside the other, okay, cool. Alright, boom. So yeah, it's like my theory is alright. You gotta put out a lot of videos, like minimum, like, cause look, I'm gonna tell you why. Out of 100 videos, one video might be the one that makes it, and then you figure out what was it that made that video make it, like gain views, engagement, people bought in, they were entertained, they effed with the video. What was it? The way you created the whole thing. What was it about that? So that you know, like, oh, that's what works. Say that. Now I'm gonna do that more. That's why you gotta create like 100 videos, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 1,000, all the way up to 2,000, so that you could get like 20 videos that you know. That's what worked, and they free. The whole thing is free, so that's why it's fire. Time passes anyway, and the upside to this is that people could know like what you asking them, if they could bring to you. Like people become like, they become helpful, like oh, you know, this that he's looking for, that you could contact that shit, like that. And it's like it's some future tech shit, bro. Like if you know, like you have some fire thing going, like basically you add a bunch of value tutorials. That's the best way to start. Don't do vlogs too much yet. People need to get to know who you are, and how they find out about you is through tutorials. So you got to find what has a high search volume and a low competition in your niche. You do want to start to niche down more and more. I am going to, as I get my market message resonance, meaning as the market hears me and it's really in tune with me through something, that's when I'll start to niche down. It's what they want. So you just keep putting it out till you see what they want with you. Because I could be talking about a whole bunch of God type of wisdom, but it's not that how that works. Is what the market wants. I gotta keep doing tutorials with what the market wants. Oh yeah. I said it in my other videos. Keep God in your lives. Be positive. This shit is for real. I'm gonna be super real. Like, nah, just keep God in your lives and be positive is the foundation, like, to the whole thing. Really, but nah, it's not enough though. You gotta be a little smart. It was in my other videos. I low key dropped it. It's not just about this making money shit, and then somebody just run downs on you, and you're not aware. Like, you gotta be aware of your surroundings. You gotta be alert. You gotta play smart with it. Like, you got God in your life. You positive. You know all that stuff. I dropped it in my other videos. It's not just this shit right here. Like, oh, you get money or whatever, and niggas just run down on you and you're not aware. This shit is for real. Like, I don't know where y'all. I'm from NYC. This shit is real. Like, yo. So, but yeah, that's out of topic. So look, you want to create a bunch of like hundreds of thousands, so you see which ones worked, what was creative about it, what created a high click through, a great video, more entertaining, kept the people engaged, like gamified it. Like, you know how there's a game called Fortnite, you create those type of games in your videos with the characters and people you just decided to have in your videos, stuff like that. That's entertaining for people. People love entertainment. They come home and they view their phone at night for entertainment. So if you do that and you find a way to pop that, you good. You sell merch, you sell mad shit, get sponsorship, so all that shit. That's why you just gotta keep popping these out. Like, it's free anyway. You can do it on your cell phone or whatever way you could do it. MVP, like, you don't need too much technology. Like, niggas think people think like they need the most advanced camera on Best Buy, the most advanced tripod lighting, and like a whole fucking Hollywood studio. You don't need all that. You just need your camera, and you just need your creativity, and just pump them out. Like, yeah. So just be consistent. Never give up on that. Like, and you're gonna be Gucci as a content creator. Then later on down the line, you could do live streams as a good content creator that made it. You could live stream things. You could repurpose things. Get a cameraman and a person who could repurpose things, and you're gonna be great, bro. You basically making a load of bread off just filming things and putting them for people to entertain themselves on it. That's fire. I mean, for free. Like, this shit didn't exist 50 years ago. Like, and anybody could do it. Like, anybody. Nah, that shit is crazy. So yeah, bro, that's what it is. Comments.